Want to get the legendary Epic Face on Roblox in 2025? It's rare, expensive, and not easy, but here's what you can actually do. Epic Face is one of the most iconic faces on Roblox, originally uploaded in 2009 and quickly turned into a meme item. As of 2025, Epic Face is a retired limited item. It hasn't been on sale in years and can only be traded, not bought directly. To get Epic Face, you need to be a premium member and use the Roblox trading system. You'll need rare limiteds and tons of Robux. It's worth over 1 million Robux now. Use sites like Rollomons or Tradery to see who owns it, how much it's worth, and if someone is accepting trades. You'll likely need high-tier items like Valk, Dominus, or rare faces. If you can't afford the real one, try UGC faces or accessories inspired by Epic Face. They're cheap and look close enough for fun avatars. Never trust Epic Face scams or free model links. If it's not through trading, it's fake. Protect your account and your Robux. That's how to really get Epic Face in 2025. Like and follow for more Roblox guides that actually tell the truth.